What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're enjoying my videos and everything I'm uploading here on my YouTube channel. If you do like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button too to get notification so you don't miss anything I upload to my channel. And if you want to follow me on my other social media like Facebook, Instagram, all of them in the description below under the video, so you can follow me there. And as you see here on the bottom of the screen on the left, this is my Instagram, so you can follow me there because too many of you asking me all the time, Walid, what is your Instagram? So now you can see my Instagram. Today we're going to do beautiful fashion color. It's gonna be fun video. I hope you like it. So I don't want to talk so much, so let's go and start the video step by step. Let's go. Okay guys, so here we go. We have this beautiful gorgeous mannequin as you see here. Today, as I mentioned, we're gonna do a fashion color. I'm going to use a joico. Here in the United States we have joico, and maybe if you are in a different country you don't have a joico, don't worry, use a different brand, it's not a big deal, okay? Well, but before we start doing the application and everything, just let's talk a little basic color theory. If we want to do fashion colors like green, blue, violet, purple, silver, yellow, whatever, orange, you know, all those like vibrant, or even pastel, you know, but fashion color, we need to know to apply fashion color on hair. If I apply it on a dark hair like a black, brown, even dark blonde, is the hair gonna take the color? Absolutely not. So we have to understand color doesn't lift color, okay? And if I apply light color on a dark color, the color won't take. So I have to apply color on light hair. It has to be light hair, which means here in joico, what I like about it, it says lighten to level 9. They're telling me if I want to apply this mauve color on light hair, it has to be at least level 9. If lower than level 9, is not gonna give me the result I'm expecting. So if level 8 and below, the hair won't take the color and give me the result I'm expecting. So it has to be level 9, 10 and above. Okay, so at least level 9. So this is what I like about joico, because kind of they make it even more clear, especially for beginner colorists, you know, so they don't make mistakes. So now we know we need to apply it for light color, light hair color. So now maybe I'm wondering, oh my God, Walid, what is this color like? Level 7, 8, 9, I'm confused. Especially as I said, if you are a beginner colorist, you don't know, you don't have so much experience and you look to the hair and you're kind of confused. Use this. Use this. Everybody has this as a colorist in the salon. Even if you don't have it, just order it, okay? So this is level 1 to level 10 natural. And what I like about Wella stuff here, that it shows you even the underlying pigment. It shows you under black what the underlying pigment, and each one of them it show you the underlying pigment. So anyway, I bring this little measure and I put it on the hair. So the hair, do I have a black, brown? No, definitely it's lighter. The hair is lighter. So I keep going up, up, up. Here I'm level 7. No, it's still dark. 6. And here level 7. It's still dark. I look to level 8. No, it's still too dark. Level 8. I still see so much yellow and it has a little bit hint of orange. Still dark, okay? So much warm. Now I come to level 9. Do I see level 9 in the hair? Yes. Do I see level 10 in the hair? Yes. So if I look to level 9 and 10, absolutely I see level 9 and 10. So now I know the color of the hair here is level 9 and 10 mix. So now I go back to the color. Here it says at least level 9. If I apply here to the hair, it's gonna take it? Yes, it is gonna take it. So now I can do fashion color and I don't have to worry about it and I'm gonna get a great result. So this is semi-permanent. We know permanent color, we need oxygen developer. Doesn't matter, developer 10, 20, 30, 40, but we need the developer with permanent colors. With demi-permanent, when we do toners, we know we need developers too to apply for the hair, yes? But semi-permanent, this is semi-permanent. Semi-permanent colors, we don't need developer, which means I put the color in the ball directly and to the hair. No developer. The color directly to the hair and semi-permanent color. So now we know we have level 9 and 10. This here it says at least level 9 to the hair, take the color, and we don't need developer because it's semi-permanent. So let's go right now and apply and see how it's gonna turn out. Okay guys, so here we go. After I applied the color to the hair, only 20 minutes. Just follow what it says on the bottle. Don't try to be extra smart or creative, okay? Just follow the instruction on the bottle. All it says semi-permanent, usually 20 minutes as I said, and it says 20 minutes. So I applied it to the hair directly, no developer because it's semi-permanent, 20 minutes. But it's very important when I rinse the hair, do not do hot water. Warm, not very hot, okay? So it's between cold and hot, just warm enough. Do not use any shampoo, conditioner, you don't need, just rinse it with water, rinse it very well, apply some styling products, whatever you feel like. And I did a very quick blowout, nothing fancy, and I'm very ready to show you the amazing result. The color is wow. It's just, for me, it's so sexy. So hopefully you like it. So let's go and see the final result. I'm sure you're excited. Ta-da! So here you go. This is the color, 20 minutes, and it wasn't anything crazy. As I said, the hair has to be level 9, okay? To be able to take this color. And quick blowout, nothing fancy, just easy. Look to the final result. Phenomenal, lavender, mauve, whatever you want to call it. And look to this sexy model. Look how gorgeous is that model. Wow. Just wow. It's like Victoria's Secret or red carpet look. I don't know, but she's so sexy. And by the way, this mannequin, if you want to get it here in the United States, Canada, Europe, Middle East, any country in the world, I will try to cover all of you guys. Soon this mannequin is gonna be my name on it, so this is gonna be one of the main mannequin I will use in most of my videos. When this mannequin available on the market, I will let you know guys, and I will put the description and the links how you can get it, all the information you need so you can get this mannequin. But when it's available, I will let you know soon. Right now I'm working on it, and it's not available yet. It's just available for me, okay? So if you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button so you don't miss anything and you get notification that I upload new videos and you don't miss anything. And yes, just show me your love so I make more videos for you, and I will see you soon in a new video, new ideas, and ciao for now.